All right, we see this issue all the time. Basically, you have a brother and a sister that own a piece of property together. Maybe their parents died and left the property to them via will, or they didn't have a will, so just passed through what's called intestate succession, the default laws in Texas. So we get this question of, can you make your sister or your brother sell the property, right? So if it doesn't matter if they're living there on the property, maybe it was the old folks' home or it was a family property or whatever. Somehow you found yourself owning property together with a sibling or someone else in the family. So this issue comes up all the time, and Texas law has a procedure, and it's a partition loss. It's in the property code, in the civil procedure code as well, and it basically gives a judge the authority to order the sale of the property. Now, it doesn't matter if a sibling's been out there for so long. It doesn't matter about the improvements. It doesn't matter about the taxes. The judge can order the sale. Now, the important thing here is what's the value of the property. Typically, there will be a question of whether the property can be sold in kind, which just means you're drawing lines essentially. So if it's a lot of acreage, you can figure out, okay, well, you get this half, you get this half, or of course, if there's three, then third. Or if the property just needs to be sold outright, sold on the market and proceeds are distributed and distributed up. If it is sold or partitioned, if lines are drawn on the map, then three people, commissioners is what they're called, will decide where those lines should be drawn and report that back to the judge. Judge will ultimately decide, order the sale or if it needs to be partitioned in kind and split up. And so again, the property of the brothers, is on the east half and the sister gets the west half or whatever. Judge orders that sale, and then the brother and sister split the proceeds. So, can you make your sibling sell the property? Yes. It's called a partition lawsuit. It's something that is available to you if you don't know where to start or if you have questions. This is something that we handle all the time at the Watson Law Firm. And so give us a call or reach out to us or whatever you need to do. This seems to be a really prevalent issue. So we're hoping to make more content about this that'll be useful for you. So let us know if it's helpful. Let us know if you got any questions. Share if it's helpful. And yeah, thank you.